guys, good day. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Today I'm making one for myself, guys. I know I'm making one for everybody. Not today, guys. So today I'm just making a simple hot dog, but guys, I'm gonna put a twist on it. All right. Okay guys, as I said before, it is a very simple hot dog, but I'm going to put a twist to it. Okay, so this is my breading mix. Here it is, guys. So this is the fish fry seafood breading mix. That's what I'm going to use for the hot dog. And this is my hot dog bread. Guys, you know what? I never seen hot dog bread like this before. But anyway, I like it. Guys. Alright, so this is my my hot dog and my bacon. Okay, I'm going to use some mayo ketchup. Here we go. And I'm going to use some cheese. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put, guys, I'm going to put my my bacon in my air fryer. Okay. Then I'm going to put some cold water, guys, to mix this. So I have to get my hands ready, guys. So you want to make sure your hands clean. So we can put I have a little Ziploc bag here, guys, and I'll drop it in the Ziploc bag here that I have here. A little Ziploc bag here, and then just drop it in there. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. Guys, the place is so quiet. And the kid is not here, I'm in school. The place is so quiet. So quiet. So this is my oil. The hot dog finish and the bacon. Look good. Look really good. We can melt it. And put the toaster there a little bit to melt it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Put the toaster for a little bit to get the cheese melted. So now I'm gonna put it in the toaster to get the cheese melted. Okay, in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Get the cheese out here. Okay, here. Now we have melted cheese. Alright, give it a couple seconds to get the cheese well melted. Alright, so alright, so my cheese melted, looks good. Woo. Now I'm going to top it off with my bacon. Nice bacon at the side. Look at that. Now I'm going to pour some mayo ketchup. Okay, so you know that I'm gonna have a good lunch. Look at this, me alone.
Yes, guys, and I'm going to drink my beet mix. Yes, 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 yes. But anyway, guys, you know I started accept gift on my channel, guys. Guys, if you watch any of my video, guys, and you love my channel and you want to give me a small token, guys, I accept. Thank you. God bless you. Keep on smiling and come back for more.